75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಅಮೃತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪುಂಜಾಲಕಟ್ಟೆ. ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್. ಬಾದಲ್ ಗುಪ್ತಾ. Biography. Badal Gupta was a Bengali revolutionary nationalist who sacrificed his life for Indian freedom struggle movement. His original name was Sudhir Gupta. He was born at the village of Pubra Shimulia of Vikrampur in Dhaka district. His father's name was Abani Gupta. The feeling of patriotism became strong in him after coming in touch with Nikunja Sen, a teacher of the Banaripara school of Vikrampur. At his inspiration, Badal joined the revolutionary organization Bengal Volunteer as a member. Within a short time, he was promoted to the post of lieutenant from a member by virtue of his activities. Badal Gupta along with his group killed Col N.S. Simpson, the Inspector General of Prisons, on 8th December 1930. The group also included Dinesh Gupta and Benai Basu. He committed suicide by consuming potassium cyanide as he couldn't defend British attack. He was only 28-year-old then. Badal joined the Bengal Volunteers and was also influenced by the activities of Bengali revolutionaries, which included two of his uncles too. They were Dharaninath Gupta and Nagendranath Gupta, associated with Aurobindo Ghosh and Alipore bomb case. The Inspector General of Prisons, Col N.S. Simpson, was infamous for his cruelty to Indian prisoners in jail. So, revolutionarist Badal, along with his group, decided to teach British a lesson by killing him. They also planned an attack on the Secretariat building, the Writers' building in the Dalhousie Square in Kolkata. The other two prominent members of the conspiracy included Dinesh Gupta and Benai Basu. The three disguised themselves as foreigners, entered the Writers' building. Though they could kill Simpson, they got badly injured as British men opened fire at them. Though they were able to injure a few British officials, the group of three was not enough to fight against the British force. Badal took potassium cyanide while his friend shot with their pistol. The sacrifice of these three young students influenced the revolutionary activities in Bengal a lot. The Dalhousie Square was later renamed BBD of Bhag after Indian independence, paying respect to the three young revolutionaries.